Hi guys, welcome to Easy Coder channel. In last session, we discussed what are the best IDEs for Python development. In this today's session, we will discuss what are the data types available in Python. So data types are very crucial for any programming language. Like other programming like Java, the Python have its own data types. These are integer, float, string, and boolean. We'll see one by one. So, like other programming language Java, for declaring variable, you no need to explicitly mention the data type. The Python will automatically assign based on, it will allocate data type based on the value. So, a equal to 2. That means this is a numeric value assigned to one variable, and for float I given decimal point. So, float having decimal where numeric doesn't have any decimal points. And name, this is a string. Hello Python. And boolean is boolean. I declared one variable is boolean equal to true. So I declared one numeric value, float, string, and boolean. So how we know whether this is a numeric or a float, this is a string, this is a boolean value. So Python have a function called type. So type a. What is that? What type of data type? A. So if I run it, it's an integer. Similarly, we will see other variables also. What are the data types? Is boolean. So the first a variable is an integer data type, b is float data type, and name is a string, and is boolean is related to boolean. And we will see what are the uh, operations we can perform on the data types. So integers we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide. For example, I will take two variables already I have here, so I will declare one more. Two variables I will take here, num1, 2, num2, 3. I will add two result variable, num1 plus num2. I will print the result. Okay, this here, this I have the this text. I will do. Result is 5. If I do subtract num2 minus num1, run it 1. I can do multiplication on the numbers 6. I will divide the values. So 2. So we can perform on same thing like this. Same thing we can do on float data types also. Float data types also. So if I declare this, what are the operations we can perform on string? Suppose my name is John, first name, F name, last name, is Peter. So what if I do plus these two variables plus last? Let's see what it will give. So what it given? It appended. So since these are the string data types, it's appended. If it is integer data types, it will add and it will print the result. And if you want to uh, if you want to put some space, you can put space by concatenating space John Peter. And if you want, now we will see what are the operations you can perform on string. Suppose I have a name, so if I want to print first letter of this name, so I can print from 0 to 1. Let's see what will it will print. H 0 to 2. So that means this name is like it's a list of characters. It will treat like a list of characters. You can get whatever the letters you want by giving the start position and end position. So if I didn't give end position and just I put like this, still it will work, but it's giving whole because I didn't mention until what index I want. If I put 0 here, nothing because this is end. If I put 2, it given first two characters from 0 to 2. So thank you for watching, and please kindly subscribe and like, and